Hi everyone, welcome to the invoice payment quick little guide for your Xoro system. In this guide, we're going to specifically look at making a payment towards multiple invoices. So I'm at the invoice payment module. Now, as we've gone over in other tutorials, there's many ways to pay off an invoice, but in this method, we're going to actually pay off multiple of them, many of them at once. So what I'm going to do is select my customer here that I'm recording payments for. And then what I'll do is I'll select the payment date, the payment method. So let's do this. If I wanted to do Stripe transactions or any sort of payment gateway, you can always click on process card and go from there. So what I'm going to do here is enter the amount that was paid toward invoices. So let's put that. I'm going to add a reference number here. Now what I'll do is I'm going to go down this list of invoices. I can always enable or disable columns to add more information. And I'm going to pay off the first invoice, so I'm just going to select it here. And you can see the pay amount got filled. So it's actually going to fetch, it's actually going to fill this based on the amount that was here. So it's going to use this 4,400. And then now when I click this, it's going to use whatever's left. And now I click this. So what's left was 1089. So if I sum these three, it's actually going to give me 4,400. So now what I do simply is just review everything, make sure everything's okay, make sure the invoices I'm paying are selected. Click on Place Selected Invoices, click OK, and the payment has been made towards those three invoices.